Hello, grade 9 special mathematics class students. So we are now through with our lesson on point slope form of the equation of a straight line. So we proceed now to the next, which is called the 2-point form of the equation of a straight line. So this is week 2 of our subject analytic geometry for quarter 2. So let's start. So before our lesson proper, let us first have a review on point slope form. So write the equation of the line in point slope form with the given figure. Line on a Cartesian plane. So first, recall the point slope form of the equation of a straight line. Y minus y sub 1 equals m times quantity x minus x sub 1. And then locate a point which is 0, 3. And another is 3, 2. And using these 2 points, you can see that the slope is negative 1/3 because the rise is 1 while the run is 3. 1, 2, 3. Right? And since the line is to the left direction, therefore the slope is negative. And after getting a slope, then we get 1.03. Substitute it to the point slope form of the equation of a line. Y minus 3 equals negative 1/3 times x minus 0. And then you can also choose another point which is 3, 2. Y minus 2 equals negative 1/3 times quantity x minus 3. Right? So you can use any of these 2 points, but still the slope is negative 1/3. And if we're going to transform these 2 equations to ax plus by equals c form, then we can obtain the same answer, which is 3y minus 9 equals negative x, or x plus 3y equals 9. Yes, x plus 3y equals 9. Yeah. Next, another given 2, 3 and slope negative 2, write the equation in the form ax plus by equals c. So first we rewrite the point slope form of the equation of the line. Y minus y sub 1 equals m times quantity x minus x sub 1. M is negative 2, x sub 1 is 2, y sub 1 is 3. So substitution, y minus 3 equals negative 2 times quantity x minus 2. This is the equation of the line in the point slope form. And then by distributive property multiplication, we have y minus 3 equals negative 2x plus 4. And then by transposition, 2x plus y equals 4 plus 3, and that's equivalent to 2x plus y equals 7 is the equation of the line in the form ax plus by equals c with the slope equal to negative 2 passing through the point 2, 3. Another same procedure as in the previous example. Given negative 8, 4 and slope negative 3 halves, write the equation in the form ax plus by equals c. Okay, point slope form of the equation of the line. Slope is negative 3 halves, x sub 1 is negative 8, y sub 1 is 4. Substitute, y minus 4 equals negative 3 halves times quantity x plus 8. Right? This is now the equation of the line in the point slope form. And then if we're going to transform this to form ax plus by equals c, multiply, I will first apply the distributive property of multiplication. Y minus 4 equals negative 3 halves x minus 3. Then multiply the equation by 2, we have 2y minus 8 equals 3x minus 24. And then by transposition, we have 3x plus 2y equals negative 16. Yes, transpose negative 3x becomes 3x plus 2y. Negative 24 transpose negative 8. Negative 24 plus 8 is negative 16. So proceed now to our lesson proper. Let us learn how to write equations of a line given 2 points, or the 2-point form. So this is the definition of 2-point form. If m in the point slope form is replaced by its value in terms of the coordinates of 2 points on the line, we'll have from point slope form y minus y sub 1 equals m times x minus x sub 1. Yes, we will just replace m by its formula, which is y sub 2 minus y sub 1 all over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Okay, place mo lang yung m nito, and then this is now actually the 2-point form of the equation of a line. y minus y sub 1 equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 all over x sub 2 minus x sub 1 times the quantity x minus x sub 1. So we use this form when we are trying to find an equation of the line that passes through two given points. And then how about this point slope form? We use this when we are given a point and a slope of the line. So 2 points form of the equation of the line is this. Let us now have some solve exercises here. For number 1, find the equation of the line through the given points 2, 3, and 4, 9. So since the line passes through the points 2, 3, and 4, 9, then we will use the 2-point form of the equation of a straight line to solve its equation. So first identify x sub 1 y sub 1 is 2, 3, x sub 2 y sub 2 is 4, 9. And substitute it to the 2-point form of the equation of a line. Y minus y sub 1 equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1 times the quantity x minus x sub 1. So we have y minus 3, yes, y sub 1 is 3, equals 9 minus 3 over 4 minus 2 times quantity x minus 2. Yes. Then 9 minus 3 is 6, 6 4 minus 2 is 2, 6 divided by 2 is 3. So that means 3 is the slope. Multiply 3 by x minus 2, 3x minus 6 equals y minus 3. Then what's next? We will combine similar terms. Y equals 3x minus 6 plus 3. Transpose natin yung negative 3 from the left side of the equation. We have y equals 3x minus 6 plus 3. Negative 6 plus 3 is negative 3. So we have y equals 3x minus 3. Transform this to x plus ax plus by equals c. Becomes negative 3x plus y equals negative 3. And by multiplying this equation by negative 1, becomes 3x minus y equals positive 3. This is now the equation of the line passing through the two given points, right? In the form ax plus by equals c. Let's have here another example. 1b, 1, negative 4, and negative 2, 7. Find the equation of the line that passes through these two given points. So again, since 2 points are given, we'll use the 2-point form. The equation of a straight line. X sub 1, y sub 1 is 1, negative 4. This should be negative 4. Yes, negative 4. This should be negative 4. So for x sub 2, y sub 2, we have negative 2, 7. So substitute this given coordinates to the equation 2-point form. We have y minus negative 4 means y plus 4 equals 7 plus 4 all over negative 2 minus 1 times quantity x minus 1. 7 plus 4 is 11 over negative 3. So therefore the slope is negative 11 thirds. Multiply the equation by negative 3. We have negative 3y minus 12 equals 11x minus 11. And then by transposition, transpose negative 3y here, becomes 11x plus 3y. Negative 12, transpose negative 11 to the left side, becomes negative 12 plus 11 is negative 1. So this is now the equation of the line which passes through the points 1, negative 4, negative 2, 7. 11x plus 3y equals negative 1 in ax plus by equals c form. Next, we still have here another example. I think this is 1c. 1c, find the equation of the line passing through the points 1, 1/2, and 4/3, negative 1, and negative 2. So again, since 2 points are given, we'll use the 2-point form of the equation of the line. X sub 1, y sub 1 is 1, 1/2. X sub 2, y sub 2 is 4/3, negative 2. And then substitute it to the 2-point form. So we have y minus 1/2 equals negative 2 minus 1/2 all over 4/3 minus 1 times quantity x minus 1. Negative 2 minus 1/2 is negative 5/2. 4/3 minus 1 is 1/3. Then divide negative 5/2 by 1/3. It's equivalent to negative 15/2. Then we have this equation now. Let's simplify this equation by multiplying it by positive 2. So it becomes 2y minus 1 equals negative 15x plus 15. Then transpose natin yun dito. becomes 15x plus 2y transpose negative 1. 15 plus 1 is 16. So the equation of the line passing through the points 1, 1/2, 4/3, negative 2 is 15x plus 2y equals 16. Alright. Next, number 2. Let us learn how to find the equation of the sides of the triangle whose vertices are 1, 2, for point A, for point B, 7, 4, and point C, 4, 9. So by plotting the points in the Cartesian plane, they are all in the quadrant 1, and then connecting the points, we have formed a triangle ABC. Right? So the question here is, what is the equation of the three sides of this triangle? What's the equation of AB? What is the equation of the line ASBC? What's the equation of the line AC? So of course, when we are trying to find the equation of each side, 2 points are being considered. So we will use again the 2-point form of the equation of a line. So let's start with point AB. So for point AB, so you can see in the figure, we use the points A and B. So for x sub 1, y sub 1, that's for point A, 1, 2. For x sub 2, y sub 2, that's point B, 7, 4. Substitute this again to the 2-point form of the equation of a line. So we have y minus 2 equals 4 minus 2 all over 7 minus 1 times quantity x minus 1. And 4 minus 2 is 1, 7 minus 1. Yes, 4 minus 2 is 2. Diba? 7 minus 1 is 6. 2 over 6 is 1/3. That's the lowest term. 1/3 is the slope. Then from this equation, y minus 2 equals 1/3 times quantity x minus 1. Multiply this equation by 3, so that it becomes 3y minus 6 equals x minus 1. Then okay, negative 1 plus 6 is 5, so it becomes 3y equals x plus 5, and by transposition, transpose mo yung 3y here, becomes x minus 3y, transpose 5 to the left side equals negative 5. So the equation of the side AB is x minus 3y equals negative 5. Let's proceed to the next line or next side, which is the side BC. BC, the points involved are 7, point B and point C. For point B, 7, 4, point C, for point C, 4, 9. Okay, we use again the 2-point form, the equation of a line. X sub 1, y sub 1, 7, 4. X sub 2, y sub 2, 4, 9. Substitute A to the 2-point form of the equation of the line. So we have y minus 4 equals 9 minus 4 or over 4 minus 7 times quantity x minus 7. 9 minus 4 is 5, 4 minus 7 is negative 3. Negative 5/3 is the slope of the side BC. Then we will multiply this equation now by negative 3, so it becomes negative 3y plus 12 equals 5x minus 35. Right, cancel kasi yun. Then transpose 12, negative 35 minus 12 is negative 47. And then we transpose negative 3y to the right side, becomes 5x plus 3y. Then we transpose negative 47 to the left side, becomes positive 47. So the equation of side BC is 5x plus 3y equals 47 in ax plus by equals c form, with the help of the 2-point form of the equation of the line. Yun. Next, for the third side AC, let us now solve its equation. So the points involved are points A and C. For x sub 1, y sub 1, we have for point A, 1, 2. X sub 2, y sub 2, we have for point C, 4, 9. Substitute it to the equation of the 2-point form. Then we have y minus 2 equals 9 minus 2 all over 4 minus 1 times quantity x minus 1. 9 minus 2, 7, 4 minus 1. From this equation, we will now multiply this by 3. 3y minus 6 equals 7x minus 7. Then 3y equals 7x. Negative 7 plus 6 is negative 1. Or it should be 3y. Or 7x minus 3y equals 1 by transposition. So the equation of segment AC is 7x minus 3y equals 1 for side AC. So we have already solved the equations of the three sides, and that's the end. So let us now proceed to our exercise, multiple choice exercise. Let's start with number 1. What is the slope of any line parallel to the line through 2, -3 and -1, 3? So when we're trying to find the slope of a line parallel to this line, we must determine the slope of this line. You have 3 plus 3, 6 divided by -3, -2. So if they are parallel, they have the same slope. So C is the answer for number 1. Number 2, find the equation of the line that passes through the points 3, -1 and 1, 2. Okay, use the 2-point form of the equation of the line. Y minus y sub 1 equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 all over x sub 2 minus x sub 1 times quantity x minus x sub 1. Yes. Substitute mo dyan yung mga 2 points na yan. X sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2. And then you will come up with the answer. Letter A. 2y plus 3x equals 7, or 3x plus 2y equals 7 in the form ax plus by equals 7. I hope you get the same answer. About number 3, find the equation of the line that passes through the points 3, 1 and -1, -2. Okay, I think we can solve this in 10 seconds. Try to solve number 3. Is it A, B, C, or D? Okay, what's the answer for number 3? The answer is letter B, 4y minus 3x equals 1. Or in ax plus ax plus by equals C form, 3x minus 4y equals -1. Yeah, that's the answer. Next, for number 4, what is the slope of any line perpendicular to this line? 2, -3, -1, 3. So they have this same given for number 1, and the slope is -2. So if they are perpendicular to each other, we'll just get the negative reciprocal of -2, which is +1 half. A is the answer. Next, number 5, what is the value of x if the line through the points 1, -3 and 4x has a slope of 2? Yeah, just substitute these values to m equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 all over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. We have x plus 3 over 4 minus 1 is 3. X plus 3 over 3 equals 2. X plus 3 equals 6. 6 minus 3 is 3. I think 3 is the answer. C, yes. So I hope you learned many things on how to find the equation of a line given 2 points. Yeah, just use the 2-point form of the equation of a line. Y minus y sub 1 all over, y minus y sub 1 equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 all over x sub 2 minus x sub 1 times the quantity x minus x sub 1. That is if you are given 2 points. And how about if you are given a point and a line? So you just use the point slope form of the equation of a straight line. Y minus y sub 1 all over, y minus y sub 1 equals m times x minus x sub 1. So we're now through with our lesson in analytic geometry for quarter 2, week 2. So our next lesson will be slope-intercept form, I should say. That's for week number 3. Slope-intercept form of the equation of a straight line. So for your activity, answer last in analytic geometry for quarter 2, week 2, task 2, 4, 5, 7, and summative test. So thank you very much for listening.